the next question is, we have a toy in the form of hemispherical surmounted by a red circular cone of same radius. The height of the cone is 10 km and the radius is 7 cm. So we have to determine the volume of the toy. Also find the square colored sheet required to cover the toy. Okay. So the solution of this question is, we have to calculate the volume of the toy. So volume of toy is volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere, and this is the figure where you will see this side is 10, this is L, and the radius is 7. So radius is 7 and height is 10. Hemisphere radius is 7 cm. So volume of the toy is 1 upon 3 pi r square h 2 by 3 pi r cube. So if you looking solve this equation, you will find the volume of the toy is 1232 centimeter cube. So area of colored sheet plus CSA of hemisphere, the pi r plus 2 pi r square. We will pi r common, 12 plus 2r. So here L square, so when you calculate L is 12.2, and if you multiply by 22, the answer is 576 centimeter square. Thank you.